So let us start. 18. A square plus 4b square minus 3a plus 6b minus 4ab. Factorization, there are two methods. First method is finding the common term or common factor. Second method is grouping method. Now first method, let us see whether first method is applicable. A square 4b square, there is nothing common. There is nothing common, so finding the common factor method fails. Let us see the grouping method. Total there are 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of which this is 4ab. In 4ab, a and b terms are there. 4ab, a and b terms are there. So I will take a square, b square and ab term together. So a square minus 4ab plus 4b square minus 3a plus 6b. Now a square minus 4ab plus 4b square, I can write a square minus 2 into 2ab, 2 into a square and 4b square. Which one? A square and 3a. Yeah, see, a square and 3a you can take together. No, you can take together, but then there is nothing common factor, no, in other. 4b square, 6b, there is nothing common factor. But when I will take a square, b square and ab together, I can use the formula a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Is it clear? Because we know a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So when you take a square and b square and ab term together, we can apply the formula a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. So this 18. This I can write 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square. 4b square I can write 2b whole square. Then minus 3 is common. Then it is a minus 2b. Minus 3 common, a minus 2b. Whether we take outside minus, that wait. Yes, now it is wait. नहीं अभी क्लियर हो गया है. Now it is clear. Now minus 3 into a minus 2b. We take minus outside, so inside sign will change. Plus become minus. Now this is of the form a square minus 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a minus b whole square. So this I can write a minus 2b whole square. Instead of b I have 2b. Minus 3 into a minus 2b. Now a minus 2b is common factor, that I will take common, a minus 2b, and then what is left? Now board is not clear?
Clear is
Okay. A minus 2b is common. A minus 2b square, a minus 2b is common. So when I will take a minus 2b common, what is left? A minus 2b is left. Then second, minus 3 is left. So this is a minus 2b into a minus 2b minus 3, and this is the answer. Yes? Yes, ask. Third step. Okay, I am explaining third step. A square minus 4ab plus 4b square. Whenever a square is there, b square is there and ab term is there, either we write that in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that I can write that further as a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. We are converting in that form. So a square. Now 4ab, I can write 2 into a into 2b. 2 into 2, 4, a into b, ab. And this 4b square, I can write 2b whole square. So that this becomes a square minus 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square. Instead of b, I have 2b. Instead of b, I have 2b. So this I can write a minus 2b whole square. A minus 2b whole square. Instead of b, I have 2b. Are you getting? No, no, that is what I am telling. No, see, let me explain. A square minus 2a into 2b plus 2b whole square. Okay, this I have. Let me take 2b as x. Let me take 2b as y. So this becomes a square minus 2ay plus y square. Yes, what is a square minus 2ay plus y square? A minus y whole square. Let us put the value of y. Y is 2b. Are you getting? Yes. So, yes, this is the it is no. A square plus 4b square minus 3a plus 6b minus 4ab. Factorize this. No. Why I have taken, see, this 4b square, a square minus 4ab plus 4b square, wherever you have a square, ab and b square, a square, ab and b square, I will convert that in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. There I have minus. So a square minus, this is middle term, so 4 I will write 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square, so that it becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square, which I can write further a minus b whole square. That is what I am telling you. Last step, a minus 2b square means a minus 2b into a minus 2b. No, 1 a minus 2b I have taken outside bracket. So inside what is left? 1 a minus 2b will be left inside. X square I can write x into x. No, are you getting? Yes. Okay. A minus 2b square means a minus 2b into a minus 2b. Are you getting? So 1 a minus 2b I have taken outside. So what is left? This is left inside. No. Then a minus 2b square and 3 into a minus 2b. What is common factor? A minus 2b. Common factor I am taking common, and remaining term I am writing in the bracket. So from this I have taken a minus 2b outside. So what is left inside? A minus 2b, because it is square. From this I have taken a minus 2b outside. So what is left inside? 3. This is the answer. Yes. Let us write 19 m into 3x m into x minus 3y whole square plus n into 3y minus x plus 5x minus 15y. 5x minus 15. So now we have to see whether any common factor is there in this. There are 3 terms. So is there any common factor? First you have to apply. Yes, see, there it is x minus 3y, but there it is 3y minus x. So this you have to rewrite. And there 5x and 15y, I have to take 5 common. So let us write m into x minus 3y square plus, now 3y minus x, I have to write x minus 3y. So minus n, minus will, this plus I will replace by minus when I will rewrite this. So x minus 3y plus 5 into x minus 3y. 5 is common. Now x minus 3y square, x minus 3y, x minus 3y. X minus 3y is common. This is common. X minus 3y is common. So this I can write x minus 3y common. Then what is left in the bracket? M into x minus 3y is left minus n plus 5. Minus n plus 5. Further we can write one more step. If you want x minus 3y into, open the bracket if you want, mx minus 3my minus n plus 5. Yes. Even if you don't open the bracket, does not matter. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now 20 x into 6x minus 5y minus 4 into 6x minus 5y square. This I am giving homework. 6x minus 5y, we will take common. Now 20 I am giving homework. Now this 5a is over. 5a is over. Now we have to start 5b. So factorization, there are two methods. First is common factor method. If common factor method fails, then we go for grouping method. Now we start exercise 5b. And this is nothing but the quadratic expression. Factorization first. A square plus 10a plus 24. A square plus 10a plus 24. This is quadratic. Why I am saying quadratic? This is because power of a is 2. Power of a is 2. Yes. Power of a is 2. So whenever power of a is 2, it is quadratic expression. It is quadratic expression. Now in quadratic we have middle term. This is my middle term. And this is last term. This is my middle term and this is last term. Now how we simplify? There are 3 terms. So these 3 terms, we make it 4 terms. By splitting the middle term, this middle term we have to split in such a way so that when you add them, you should get plus 10. When you multiply them, you should get plus 24. When you multiply, you get plus 24. When you add, you will get plus 10. Yes. Yes. I think it is a square plus 10a minus. No. Yes. A square plus 10a plus 24. See, whenever power of a is 2, what is power of a? 2. Means it is quadratic. Quadratic expression, there is middle term and there is last term. Middle term is 10a. So now this middle term we have to split. How we split the middle term? We have to find 2 numbers in such a way that their addition is plus 10. Addition is plus 10 and multiplication is plus 24. What are 2 numbers? 6 and 4. Very good. Their addition is plus 10, multiplication is 24. So this I can write a square plus 6a plus 4a plus 24. So this 10a I have split 6a plus 4a. Now I will see the where No. How we are adding this? No, 6 plus 4, 10a. Variables you will not multiply. 10a, I can write 6a plus 4a. Now multiplication of, see, addition of 6 and 4 is 10 and multiplication of 6 and 4 is 24. So we have to split the middle term. Are you getting, all of you? Middle term you have to split. Middle term is 10a. Yes, only middle term you have to split. So first and third term we keep as it is. Only middle term is split. Now how we split? This middle term coefficient is 10. Find two numbers whose sum is plus 10. No. How 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 will be 10. But 5 into 5 will be 25. No. We want 24. We want 24. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, middle term is 10. But what about 5 into 5? That will be 25. I want 24. No, see. Yes, 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 will be 10. But what is 12 into minus 2? Minus 24. No. 12 into minus 2 will be minus 24. We have plus 24. Are you getting? 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. We are having plus 24. So only two numbers are 6 and 4. Plus 6 and plus 4, when you will add, you will get plus 10. When you will multiply, you will get plus 24. Let us simplify. Let us take these two terms together. These two and these two. In first two, a is common. Yes, that is what I am telling. Middle term is 10 plus 10. So find two numbers such that their addition is plus 10 and multiplication is plus 24. So what are two numbers? 6 and 4. When you will add 6 and 4, you will get 10. When you will multiply, you will get plus 24. So I will write 6a and 4a. 6a plus 4a. Now first two, a is common, then what is left? A plus 6. 4 is common. What is left? A plus 6. Now a plus 6 is again common. Yes, a plus 6 is common. So that is a plus 6 into a plus 4. And this is the answer. So whenever you have power 2 means quadratic. You have to split the middle term. Split the middle term and then take the common factor. So what is working method to split the middle term? Find two numbers whose sum means addition is middle term and multiplication is last term. And you have to take the sign. Yes. Only a will not be there. We'll see. It depends on, see, in the same question, if it is minus 24, I have taken 10 and minus 2. No, if it is minus 24, I have taken 10 and minus 2. Are you getting? Instead of plus 24, if it is minus 24, then I must have taken 10 and minus 2. Are you getting? Yes. No, not 10 minus, 12 minus 2. 12 and minus 2. If it is minus 24, I had taken 12 and minus 2. So it depends on the sign, depends on the number. Now let us take second. A square minus 3a minus 40. Again this is a quadratic. Power is 2. Power is 2 means quadratic. So now we have to find two numbers whose sum is minus 3. You have to take the sign also. Sum is minus 3. Sum is minus 3 and multiplication is minus 40. So find two numbers. Yes. Minus 8 and 5. Minus 8 and 5. Minus 8 and 5. So this middle term you have to split as a square minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. So now let us take the common term in first and second. So that is a into a minus 8 plus 5 into a minus 8. Now a minus 8 is common. So what is left? Into a plus 5. And this is the answer. This is the plus, yes, a plus 5. No? It is minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 8 plus 5. And minus 40 means minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. Let us take third one. 1 minus 2a minus 3a square. Again it is a quadratic. Yes, yes. Last. Now a minus 8, a minus 8, a minus 8 is common factor, no? That I am taking common. So when I will take a minus 8 common, which term will be left inside the bracket? Inside bracket a will be left and plus 5 will be. Okay? Okay. Yes, yes. Does not matter. It depends. Now let me see. Which is middle term? Minus 2. So now we have to find two numbers whose sum is means addition is minus 2 and multiplication is, what is multiplication? This you have to multiply. See, no multiplication. See here, multiplication it will be 1 into minus 3. What is 1 into minus 3? Tell me. Minus 3. 1 into minus 3. So find two numbers whose addition is minus 2, multiplication is minus 3 and 1. Very good. So 1 minus 3a plus a minus 3a square. I am writing minus 2. Now how 2 minus? Because we want addition minus 2, multiplication minus 3. So addition is minus 2 means the bigger number will have minus sign. Minus 2a, I can write minus 3a plus a. A means 1, 1a. A means 1a. So minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Now first I will keep as it is 1 minus 3a. Plus second, a is common. Then what is left? 1 minus 3a. Now 1 minus 3a is common. Are you getting? 1 minus 3a is common. So what is left? 1 minus 3a is common. So what is left? In place of this 1 will be left. 1. In place of this a will be left. 1 plus a or a plus 1. Both are same. So 1 plus 3a, 1 minus 3a into 1 plus a. Yes, this is what you have already done in 8th standard. Factorization. 8th standard factorization you have done. Now 4th, x square minus 3x minus 88 a square. Minus 88 a square. Should I give this homework? Yes. See here, find two numbers whose addition is minus 3, multiplication is 1 into 88 minus 88. Yes, minus 11 plus 8, you will get the answer. So let me give this homework. Okay, very good. Now 5th, minus 11 ax plus 8 ax. Are you getting? 3ax, you will write minus 11ax plus 3ax plus 8ax. Are you getting? Are you following or not? 5th. 6a square minus a minus 15. Again this is quadratic. Find two number whose sum is minus a means, see, minus a means minus 1. Minus a means minus 1. And multiplication, see here, multiplication is, see here, if in the quadratic it is a square, then we directly see the last term. But whenever it is not a square, coefficient of a square is not 1. then I have to take multiplication of first and last. These two I have to multiply. What is that? 6 into minus 15. What is 6 into minus 15? Not 13. Minus 9. No. See, if it is 1 a square, if it is 1 square, then we directly see the last term. If it is 1 a square, coefficient of a square is 1, then we see the directly last term. But whenever coefficient of a square is not 1, instead of 1 it is some other number, then I have to take the multiplication of first and last term. So 6 into minus 15 is minus 90. Now find two numbers whose addition is minus 1, multiplication is minus 90. Yes? Addition is minus 1, multiplication is minus 90. So this I can write 6a square. What are two numbers? Yes, what are two numbers? What are two numbers? Addition is minus 1, multiplication is minus 90. Minus 10 and plus 9. Minus 10 and plus 9. So 6a square minus 10a plus 9a minus 15. So now what is common in 6a? 9. No, how? 6 into minus 15. Minus sign also you have to take. 6 into minus 15 minus 90. So find two numbers whose minus 90. 6 into minus 15 minus 90. So only that middle term I am splitting. No, middle term. Middle term I am splitting. First and third I am keeping as it is. Yes, minus 15 only I will write. First and third I am not splitting. I am splitting the middle term. Yes. Yes. See, if coefficient of a square is 1, there see, if coefficient of a square is 1, I have taken only the directly minus 40. But here coefficient of a square is 6. So I will not take directly minus 15. I will take multiplication of minus 15 and 6. Multiplication of minus 15 and 6 is minus 90. And now I will take two numbers whose addition is minus 1 and multiplication is minus 90. Addition is minus 1, multiplication is minus 90. When coefficient of a square is 1, then I will take directly last number, third term. When coefficient of this is 1. Yes, that is what I am explaining. When coefficient of a square is 1, see, coefficient of a square is 1, what is the last term? Minus 40. But here coefficient of a square is not 1, it is 6. So in that case I have to take multiplication of 6 and minus 15. So 6 into minus 15 is minus 90. Now find two numbers whose addition is minus 1 and multiplication is minus 90. What are two numbers? Addition minus 1, multiplication minus 90. Minus 10 and 9. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 and minus 10 into 9 is minus 90. No, minus 15. First and third term we are keeping as it is. First and third we are keeping as it is. Only middle term is split. So now 6a square and minus 10a. What is common? 2a is common. 2a. 2a is common. Then it is 3a minus 5. In this 9a minus 15, 3 is common. Then it is 3a minus 5. Now what is common in these two? 3a minus 5 is again a common factor. So 3a minus 5 I will take common. And then what is left? 2a plus 3 is left. And this is the answer. So there should not be any confusion in the mind. Whenever coefficient of a square is 1, there it is 1. So I have taken the directly last. Multiplication is minus 40. But whenever coefficient of a square is not 1, it is 6 or some other number, then I will take the multiplication of that coefficient and last term. So 6 into minus 15 minus 90. So addition is minus 1, multiplication is not minus 15. Minus 15 into 6 minus 90. So that multiplication should be 6 into minus 15 minus 90. So minus 10 and 9. So you have to be careful while factorization. You have to see whether coefficient of a square is 1 or not 1. If it is 1, directly you take the last term. But if it is not 1, you have to take the multiplication of coefficient of a square and let me write 6-1, because 6-1 if I will solve you will get more confidence. Yes, 6-1 I will do, because 6-1 again you will get the confidence. 6-1 24 AQ plus 37 a square. Actually some mistake is there in this. It is 24 a cube, no. It is 24 a square plus 37 a. Wait, 24 a cube plus 37 a square. Okay, minus 5. It is minus 5. 24 a cube plus 37 a square minus. Yes, first I will take a common. Now it is 24 a square plus 37 a minus 5. No, there it will come. No, now I will this bracket term I will split, because this is a quadratic. No, this is the quadratic. So middle term I will split. This is my middle term, and this is last term, and this is 24 a square. So this is my quadratic. Now bracket term I will simplify. Find two number whose addition is plus 37 and multiplication is, yes, what is multiplication? Now tell me. Now coefficient of a square is 24. Coefficient, so 24 into minus 5 minus 120. Multiplication is minus 120. Multiplication is minus 120. Yes, what are those two numbers? Yes, 40 and 3. So I will write this as plus 40 minus 3. So this is a into 24 a square. We write plus 40 a minus 3a minus 5. Yes. So a into, now what is common in 24 a square and 40a? These two common. 8a is common. 8a is common. Then it is 3a plus 5. Then I will take minus common. Then I will write in the bracket 3a minus 5. Now what is common in the bracket? 3a plus 5. Sorry. When I am taking minus common, inside it will be plus. Yes, it will be plus 5. So 3a plus 5. Now 3a plus 5 is common. So that will be a into 3a plus 5 is common. Then what is left? 8a. Minus means minus 1. Minus means minus 1. And this is the answer. A into 3a plus. No, don't multiply. 8a minus 1. Stop there. When you will simplify, again you will get the same part. So whenever it is, last term is multiplication of 3 terms, no? Last term is multiplication of 3 terms. This into this into this. Means factorization. It is in the factorization form. Whenever the given expression is product of 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms, means it is in the factorization form. Now 7, 8, let me give homework. Yet still time is there. The time is there. because 3a plus 5 I have taken common, then what is left? 8a. 1 means minus 1, remember. Minus means it is minus 1. Minus 1 means, minus sign means it is minus 1. Yes, 2 minutes are there. Okay. Okay, now let me do 7th if you want. Let me do one problem. Over? Okay. Let us do 7th, 8th in the next period, last period. Bye everybody. Bye. We'll see them in the last lecture. Bye. We'll see that further in the last lecture. Yes. Bye.